Hello again, everybody. Midterms are coming up. I'm stressed. I'm procrastinating, doing everything I shouldn't be doing. While I should be doing what I'm not doing. Anyways, we're back at it with another Raft episode. Gonna be part 4. So last time I found a person. Happy Tala here. See, before I was Roki, but now I'm Tala. Change outfit. I'm kind of feeling cotton candy. So let's see if she adds any value to the world, or if it's probably just another person, but let's see. Oh, also I have a surprise. Oh, not delete. Load world. A surprise waiting once I enter the world. Very big surprise. So last time, I think that's it. Yeah. See that ship in the corner there? Pretty cool. So last time when I went to that that oil rig place thing, I thought I searched everything, but no, I missed a couple things, and so I had to row all the way back, which I did, and I got the coordinates. See, now it's 8316. And I'm going to that. The note said people, by the way. There was a note that had coordinates, and it said people. So now I'm going to where there might be more people. Exciting way to start the video. Okay, let's try and find a way on the ship. So cool, so exciting, so adventurous. Mechanical part? What do I do with the mechanical part? Okay, now it's time to see what's on this ship. What does this ship have to offer? More clues on where to find Utopia. Utopia, that's what the billboard said. What?
I heard from the captain. We're heading for one of the high-rises down south. I can only hope you come to your senses and follow us. You knew the city was a failure, Ruben. Why do you always have to be so stubborn?
Who's Ruben? I think I heard that name before. Whoa! Oh, that scared me. What? I was right to I need a blue key? Is there a lurker here? Oh, I have a red key, but I need a blue key. Is there a lurker here? It's all this plastic being here.
Ruben, the yacht is ill-prepared for this journey. Olaf left space for a dance floor, but no space for supplies. The bottles sure found their way to the bar. As a military man, I thought Olaf would at the very least be practical. Yet they're all treating it like a luxury cruise. I'm sorry, Ruben. I shouldn't have left.
Is there a lurker here? What?
I saw a large rat last night. Unnervingly large. I tried telling the crew we obviously have an infestation among the lockdown supplies. They laughed at me. I miss you, Ruben.
A little bit. Maybe. I have a blue key though, no? What? I swear I had a blue key. Did I miss something? Oh wait, hold on. Blue key, okay, no.
Captain keeps complaining about my route. If he does it again, he will be reprimanded. The crew doesn't listen to orders. I'm shocked by their undisciplined nature. Somehow they believe rank and prestige disappeared with solid land. No, they will not be allowed to mingle among my esteemed guests, and they will certainly not be allowed further rations. They should be grateful. I am the only reason they are alive.
Okay. Okay, maybe I shouldn't look. Much better. Now I have a headlamp. These dark places won't scare me anymore.
Now they're claiming rats have eaten half of our supplies in a matter of weeks. I promised them increased rations if they could bring me one of these ridiculous lurkers alive. Of course, the food shortage will lead to the Tonight we're discussing which staff members are most suitable for termination.
Where is it? I can hear it. Yeah, that's what I thought. All that dodging from muck. Yep. Key card. Green key, oh man, it's so much. Requires one bomb? I guess. So I need a green key, jack, a bob. That's so random. So random though. We'll just pick it up. Why can't I pick this up? We're trying to, okay.
What does that mean? You can't just fire them. We're out at sea.
Hanna, you were brought to keep the engines running. That is what you...
That's one of those damn rats. What are you doing to it?
Get out! Do your job.
What? Yeah, searched here. So then what is... Oh, car jack. Okay, I have a bullet. I have a... Oh. I hear it. Yeah, I was... Oh yeah. Whoa. Yep, I'll just do that and...
Cities in the blue, calling the cost of the project's realization borderline criminal and its scope outrageous at least. Despite vocal opposition, the Floating Cities project does not appear to be slowing down anytime soon. According to former General Olof Wilkstrom's latest statement on the issue, we are fully aware of the strain this puts on our people. Nevertheless, our options are becoming increasingly limited. We must pull through this together, or join Stockholm beneath the waves. Wilkstrom refused to comment as regarding the modification of his personal plot. When further asked about the Floating City project's whistleblowers, Olof Wilkstrom chose to terminate the interview. Reaching out to these anonymous sources, we were able to further corroborate his story.
Floating city. Wait. Oh, there's two. No! No! Okay, I didn't really lose that many. I think I just lost. Oh my god! If there wasn't a respawn option. Man, what? How did I miss this?
These lurkers have potential. They were clearly once rats, now grown into something much more rabid, yet also smarter. I've already made progress on their training. With food and pain as incentives, I can discipline them. And by sharing their blood, the mutations increase. I wonder if another species would react the same. I've received a transmission from a place called Caravan Town, not far from here. They have an active animal population. No longer do I need this makeshift crew. I will create true soldiers. Loyal soldiers.
What? So now he's using... So now this guy's using rats? Mutation? What is going on here? Oh, okay.
Rookstrom, it's urgent! There's mist now! We don't know how far the water's risen! The maps are useless! We need to...
The crew are planning a mutiny, Captain. It is time to act.
Mutiny? They're just trying to stay alive! Are you mad?
I gave you a chance to live. Now we have to protect ourselves from the masses. We will use the lurkers to our advantage.
What? They just be using... They just be using the lurkers. Mutated lurkers. Mutated rats. What? What if at the end of this game there's like a boss fight with... I think it's Olaf. I think that's his name. The one using the rats. That'd be so cool. But that'd be like Raft.
Get to the lifeboats! Hurry!
Orluf, you coward!
Watch out!
Oh, so they escaped on the lifeboats. Oh, man. So now, what do I have? Light up gas tank. Okay, I should have everything to make a bomb. Hopefully. Okay, now I have a bomb. Now I go up. Alright. Now I'm gonna use the bomb. Is there anybody here? Is there any persons here? No people. Just scraps and nothing else. Balboa. Oh, I can make an engine now. Steering wheel. Okay. Cool. I genuinely don't see why I needed a bomb for that, but cool. There's no way to very top. Okay, well, I've searched all this yacht, and I think I'm just gonna end the video there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.